According to an announcement by the Greek Coast Guard, today there was an incident between the Turkish and the Greek Coast Guard east of the Greek island of Lesvos. The announcement of the Greek Coast Guard states, "In the early hours of today, the 13th of June 2021, in the sea area east of the island of Lesvos, a patrol boat of the Turkish Coast Guard harassed a patrol boat of the Port Authority of Mytilene, resulting in minor material damage to the Greek patrol boat." The Greek patrol boat was performing an ordered service in the wider maritime area. Diplomatic efforts have been made from both sides the recent days in order to reduce tensions between Turkey and Greece, but it seems that Turkish provocations in the Aegean Sea are making those efforts pointless. Please like and subscribe to Geopolitiki TV.